Dr. Rachel Swati.
And I'm Erin Keeley, a local physician assistant.
Honorable Dr. Ekli, Taimanisi Volde, Eric, Taimanisi Local, Thailand, Rohingya, and Namid Kamal Hussein.
And we're here to have a conversation with you about the COVID-19 vaccine.
Arada Chide, Taimanise, Kesu Hotabati, COVID-19 vaccine in the Shingur Baputi.
Dr. Swati, can the COVID-19 vaccine make me sick?
Great question, Erin. The vaccine does not contain live virus and cannot give you COVID-19.
Taimanisi Husalo, Dr. Tun, COVID-19 vaccine in the Shinge, Arahono Kesu virus in the Biaranteran, the Haribone. The Dr. Hode, Naharibo, Eva Manuse, Gomdabai, Eva Arabiaram to Masarakibudi.
What are common side effects from the vaccine?
Tole Gwe Hode, Taimanisi Bayaraki Horibo, in the Shingi Bayaraki Horibo, Bala.
The most common side effects include arm soreness or redness, headache or body aches, tiredness or fever. They are usually mild and last for only 2 to 3 days.
Tolimanese, Aratusone Gamado Gota, Laluye, Badas Matagura, Gasa, Sisiar, any Lama in the Dutakile, the Badase, Radasmani Dutin Bade, in Ato Gomojebi, the Aratu Majuli.
These symptoms do not mean that you are sick. Instead, they mean that your body is doing exactly what it is supposed to be doing and creating an immune response so that you can remember the virus and protect you in the future.
So, I tomorrow, Davai Majuli, Torani Mamma, Manas Basivia, Putato Paribia, Toyaba, Samotuno, Tomaratun, Davaine, Arabasaki.
Dr. Swati, how do we know that the vaccines are safe?
Toyakwe hot there, Tolara Kangur Hujum, Tolimanese, Davaiba, and Lara Basaraki, Davai Basarakibudian.
The Pfizer and Moderna vaccines were both studied in greater than 30,000 people for over 2 months. Both were 94 to 95% effective at preventing COVID-19 with a very low chance of serious side effects.
Tolimansaro, Hotwater Manshkudia, Tolimansa, Toda Mansher, Dal Dimashutan Arabasaye, Yabadaras Maniore, Giabuli, Kibuli, Arahon, the number Hoya, as a number of Manushara, Basario, Aratan to Mansumara, Hurvin, Gora, Hurvin, Labagom.
How many doses of vaccine do I need, and how long does it take to work?
Tolegwe Hode, Atu Homara Horibo, Monlagora Horibo, Tolemani Baye, Hot Hodin Butan Arimanis Gongoribo.
You will need 2 doses of the vaccine, 3 to 4 weeks apart. It will take approximately 1 to 2 weeks after your second dose for your body to develop full immunity to the virus.
The way hot there, Ara Fologoma, Jimmy Vegas Mani Ara Dikite, Hata de Hatalivo, Tel Argumatamile, Yahata Dutin Livo, Ara Dikite, Ara Huiti, Araki Dikinakino, the Kadian.
Here's an important question for all the ladies. Should I receive the COVID-19 vaccine if I'm pregnant or breastfeeding?
The way hot Sadiki, I doesn't manage Bishop Balahota, Balasota, I go to pregnant Hole, Hamilulia, to Manase, Armansai Ponta, Kavajutakile, Tell I might die Marifajune.
Pregnant and breastfeeding women may receive the COVID-19 vaccine. It is still being studied in these groups, and thus it is recommended that you have a conversation with your doctor about receiving the vaccine.
Tolimanese, Tora Dawaya Marifariba, Twin Dutkabali Huare, or Notugile, Twata Hamilio, Tolimanesian Balahota, to Marifariba, to Twatan Doctor, to Dr. Lawyer, to Hotavatil Hoyokintu.
Because pregnant women are at increased risk of severe illness and death from COVID-19, in most cases there is high benefit from receiving the COVID-19 vaccine.
Tolimanese, Hamila Maya Hon Lure, Beshabish Mushkil Koloda, Biaram COVID-19 Lure, the COVID-19 vaccine, Maronan Zoruli, Tolibanari, Notum Basarakibudi.
Dr. Swati, I've been reading lots of things on the internet. Does the COVID-19 vaccine cause infertility?
Tolimanis by Hode, Manase by online mother in the Mamma, Bishibishi Decker, COVID-19 Mamma local, Tolimanese, Ibehonarcas or Hono, Hidagoribone.
No, because COVID-19 vaccines are not composed of live virus, they are extremely unlikely to cause infertility, miscarriage, or pregnancy complications.
Tolimanese by Ara in the Mamma Goribo, Tolimanis Arabala Goribo, Arasmanilla, my honey point at Dinadagodia, Miscurio, in a Tunara in the Basavodi, COVID-19 Bessini.
Do I still need the vaccine if I already had COVID-19?
The go out there, after the COVID-19 fight, or either Takili Hasguri, at Ki Ajutabe Marivajum, Lucky Marinavajum.
Yes, actually, it is possible to get reinfected with COVID-19, especially 90 days after a previous infection. So it is still important for you to get your vaccine.
Tole, Oi, Maratumanas Mara Horibo, on Olivole, Badase, ইয়া বেশি দরহারি নতুন মারণ নান ওইলিও নতুন
Dr. Swati, who should get the COVID-19 vaccine?
তে কই হদ দে ডাক্তার তো ফলত দে হাত তো মানেছে ডিসিংয়ে মারা হরিব
The COVID-19 vaccine is recommended for everyone above the age of 18, and hopefully soon it will also be recommended for children.
তাহলে মানেছে আর তুম কোভিড-19 বা হাজগরি হারজন তো জিম্মা মারণ নান তাহলে মানেছে আর বছর ওই দিন নতুন হামাকা মারা হরি ফুটজন নতুন ইয়া বাজার গোড়া হয় না হয় তার তো মানলে ভালো হইব
Most important question, Dr. Swati, why should I get the COVID-19 vaccine?
তাহলে মানেছে বেশি ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোয়েশ্চেন বলে ইয়ান তাহলে ওই হদ ডাক্তার তুন আই তুই কেলা মানেছে ইবা মারা হরিব দে
That's a great question. Getting the vaccine is one of the best ways for you to protect not only your own health, but also lowers the risk of spreading the virus to your family and friends.
তাহলে মানেছে গ্রেট কোয়েশ্চেন বলে ইয়ান বালা হতা হয়ে ফল যদি আনি গই ডাক্তার তুন তো মানে তো মারা হয়ে কেলা তোরলা তো সামনে জিন্দেগি লা ইয়া বাদে তোমার ফ্যামিলি লা বলি ওরে ভালো হইব তুমি আইলিয়ান
This is also one of our best tools to slow the many effects of the pandemic.
তাহলে মানুষ আরও 10 মিনিট কি বলে হইলে আরও মানে আরও বন্ধ প্যান্ডামিক আছে এখন হালো চলত দেয় তাহলে মানুষ আল্লাহ ভালো হইব
Dr. Swati, did you get your COVID-19 vaccine?
তো ডাক্তার তুমি চলত দিয়ে গিয়ে ডাক্তার তুমি মাইজনে কোভিড-19 বেশি নিবা
I have actually gotten both doses of my COVID-19 vaccine, and I was very excited to do so.
তাহলে মানুষ এইভাবে হদে ওই আই মাইজি তাহলে মানে বড় মতো তাহলে মানুষ আই 10 মানে বাইক দিয়ে আমি বেশি খুশি করে মাইজি আর তো বেশি কোন লাগি
Thank you so much for taking time to listen to this video. We hope that you've been able to learn something, and if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to a healthcare provider.
তাহলে কই বেশি করে আগরে তোমার আশা করে তোমার আর ভিডিও গিন চাই ওরে কেসু তোমার ফোনি ওর আমল করে ফেলা শিখ বলি ওরে তার আশা মতো ঘরে বেশি করে আগল তোমার কোন রে
Shukriya. Assalamu alaikum.
শুকরিয়া আসসালামু আলাইকুম